Hey guys, so I'm still using that day trade strategy that I've been using recently. I'm just buying the top movers on Robinhood. Just updating you guys. I did buy the top 10 movers today, like around 9:45, 9:50. We are up, solid-ish amount. I mean, we are up 7, 8, 9, 10. We're up like 11%. And then from the 10 positions, we are down 1, 2, 3, like 4. So we're up 11%. We're down about 4%. That equates to what, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So like 7. We're actually, total, we're up like about 7% for today. Again, I mean, I'm just telling you guys, like, all I'm doing really is just buying the top, the top 10 movers on Robinhood every single day. Just putting in $10 just to show you that the strategy actually works, and then selling either at the next day or the end of day the same day. You guys do need 25K to day trade. Just letting you guys know. But yeah, I think last time I sold. The first time I tried it was Friday. Since a couple months ago, because I know I was doing this a couple months ago, but I did try it on Friday. I actually sold today in the morning. I don't have a video, but we were up about, I think, 11%, and then today we are up about, what did I just say, like 7%, 7, 8, 9, yeah, like 7%. So overall, we are up from yesterday and from last Friday, and today we're up about like 18%. I'm gonna sell all these positions on tomorrow morning, and I'll probably update you guys to see if the positions change or not. But yeah, I mean, if you're a starter at day trading, I mean, this at least gives you some sort of input into momentum and how the market actually moves and stuff. But yeah, just a quick update on these positions and then the last one, and yeah.